Hello everyone, the known world is back today, and today we are going to make the best of the best airplane. So, in this, you'll need a newspaper and some scissors. So, let's start. First, take your newspaper, open it. Now you can see there are four lines. I created four lines by folding it. One in the middle, one, one, one from up to down, one from right to left. So we're gonna cut it in four. So guys, I only created one. I cut out four, but I'm gonna show you only how to make one. You can make four after I'll teach you how to make one. So now I've cut one. Now fold it like this. And then open it. So now all you have to do is to do like this. From both sides, you create a triangle. This is the part you fold it. So now I'm did like this. Now we have to do it like this from both sides again. So I'm giving you guys a tip. These both should be equal. I tried to make them equal, but I am not good at it. So now you just do it like this. And then you take it and fold it like this for its wing. Now it's done. I called it best of the best because it is a very lightweight plane and it's very, very, very big. So there might be a problem, it will be opening, but you can fix it with tape. I'm fixing it with tape. Okay? It will not open. Put the tape on middle. And then close it from the end. So now see. Now I'm gonna do a test run. So let's go! Right now, let's try again. And don't do this test run in the fan. I'm telling you. Stop. See, my fan was on. So it stopped. Now I'll wait for my fan to turn off. It's working. Now, see, it goes very far.